Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Sons of the Forest freezing. It's easy. If you want to fix it, click here and then type graphics settings. Make sure to turn on this option and then go to Windows Update Settings. And after that, once you're here, make sure to install all the updates that you can find. Check for updates, and that's it. Now close it and go back. Now go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates, and make sure to install the latest update that you can find, and then go to settings. Scroll down until you find image scaling. Your problem must be fixed. After that, just enable it and restart your computer, and that's it. See you in the next video.